Today I'm going to share with you a really cool tool called Open Dyslexic. And what that is a font that has been created for people, especially with dyslexia or with any reading difficulties, that struggle to read print on a page or on a screen. And as you can see, this page shows what the typeface looks like. Here on this letter O, you can see it's kind of weighted a little bit on the bottom so that this helps ground the letters to the line or to the page so that the letters and words don't appear to be floating for a person with dyslexia who is trying to read it. Okay, so this can be used in a couple ways. You can go to the Chrome Web Store and you can download the extension for Open Dyslexic, and then it will show up like in your toolbar right up here. So anytime that I'm in a website like this where there's an article that I want to read, I can go activate this. So I'm going to just click on that and I'm going to say enable Open Dyslexic, and then I can go out of that, and then it'll take a couple seconds and it will put this website into Open Dyslexic font for me. So see, there we go. I can read this article maybe a little bit more easily with that font. Okay. The other way that you can use that is you can, if you go to opendyslexic.org, you can download this font actually to your computer and install it, and then when you open up a Word document, you can type in that font. Okay, so I added it to my fonts, and then I had to just scroll down and find it. There it is. So then I just chose it, and then I can make documents for students that might need it with that font as well. So I find this to be a really useful tool, and I hope it's something you have enjoyed learning about. Thanks.